Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that fascinates us all, slowing down the aging process. We're not talking about magic pills or extreme diets, but a powerful, accessible strategy you can implement every day. What if you could significantly impact your longevity and vitality by focusing on a simple 12-hour window? That's right, we're talking about the 12-hour strategy for slowing down aging. It's a concept rooted in cutting-edge science, focusing on how our bodies operate on a daily rhythm.
Wow.
And how aligning with that rhythm can unlock incredible benefits for health and longevity. It's about optimizing your body's natural processes, not fighting them. So why 12 hours? This strategy centers around the concept of intermittent fasting, but in a very gentle and sustainable way. It's not about starvation. It's about giving your body a consistent period of rest from digestion each day. This 12-hour window, often referred to as a feeding window, followed by a fasting window, allows your body to switch from growth and storage modes to repair and rejuvenation modes. This daily rhythm is crucial for processes like autophagy, your body's cellular cleanup crew that removes damaged cells and proteins. It's essential for anti-aging. It helps regulate blood sugar, improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and even support cognitive function. It's less about what you eat and more about when you eat. Before we dive into how to implement this, let's talk about the core principles that make this 12-hour strategy so effective. Core principles of the 12-hour strategy embrace circadian rhythms. Your body has a natural 24-hour clock. Eating too late at night disrupts this rhythm, affecting sleep, metabolism, and cellular repair. Aligning your eating with daylight hours is key. Prioritize the fasting window. The 12-hour period without food is where the magic happens. This allows your digestive system to rest and your body to focus on repair processes. Nutrient timing, not just quantity. While calorie intake matters for weight, this strategy emphasizes when you consume those calories to optimize metabolic health and cellular regeneration. Consistency is king. The power of this strategy comes from daily repetition. It's a sustainable lifestyle change, not a temporary diet. Listen to your body. This is not a rigid rule. Adapt the 12-hour window to your lifestyle, but always aim for that consistent daily break from food. Implementing your 12-hour strategy, all right. Let's break down how to easily integrate this into your daily life. The beauty of the 12-hour window is its flexibility. You choose your 12 hours of eating and 12 hours of not eating. The most common approach, the 7 p.m. rule. The simplest way for most people to start is by finishing your dinner by 7 p.m. If your last meal ends at 7 p.m., your 12-hour fasting window would take you until 7 a.m. the next morning. This means your first meal of the day would be at 7 a.m. Let's walk through a typical day. Morning. Breaking the fast and sustaining energy 7 a.m. Your 12-hour fast ends. This is when you'd have your first meal. Focus on nutrient-dense foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates, and plenty of fiber. This sets your blood sugar up for success. Mid-morning, stay hydrated. If you get hungry, grab a small healthy snack if needed, but aim to carry yourself to lunch. Afternoon, lunch, and midday fuel 1 p.m. Have a balanced lunch. Again, focus on whole foods. This is your main energy replenishment for the afternoon. My afternoon. If you need a snack, opt for something light and protein-rich, like a handful of nuts or some Greek yogurt. Be mindful of your remaining eating window. Evening, dinner, and transition to fasting 6 p.m. Aim to have your dinner. This allows ample time for digestion before your 12-hour fasting window begins. Keep it moderate. Heavy meals late at night can disrupt sleep and digestion. 7 p.m. This is your cutoff time. From now until 7 a.m. the next morning, you are in your fasting window. Night, the fasting window. Repair and rejuvenation during these hours. The goal is no caloric intake. Drink plenty of water, herbal tea, or black coffee. This is when your body gets to work on cellular repair, fat burning, and hormone regulation without the burden of constant digestion. If you get hungry, hydrate, or distract yourself with a non-food activity. Troubleshooting and tips. Gradual approach. If 12 hours feels challenging initially, start with 10 or 11 hours of fasting and gradually extend it. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially during your fasting window. To manage hunger and support bodily functions, quality food matters, even though we're focusing on timing. The quality of your food within the 12-hour window is still paramount for overall health and anti-aging benefits. Sleep is your ally. Good sleep enhances the benefits of this strategy, as many repair processes happen during rest. Don't obsess. Life happens. If you occasionally go over your 12-hour window, don't beat yourself up. Just get back on track the next day. Consistency over perfection. This 12-hour strategy isn't a quick fix. It's a sustainable habit that leverages your body's natural design to promote longevity, improve metabolic health, and help you feel more energetic and vibrant. It's a powerful tool in your anti-aging toolkit that you can start using today. So, I challenge you to try the 12-hour strategy for a week. Pick your starting point, whether it's aiming for that 7 p.m. dinner cutoff or adjusting it to your schedule. Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it impacts your energy levels, sleep, and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more science-backed health tips. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Here's to a healthier, more vibrant you.